Dear baby girl, the Bible states in Proverbs, chapter 22, verse 7, "The rich rules over the poor, and the borrower is servant to the lender." Therefore, I encourage you to stay out of debt like a smart single woman, because wisdom dictates careful consideration before incurring debt, especially for frivolous things. Not only can debt create overwhelming stress, but it can also interrupt, postpone, or destroy financial plans. The smart single woman knows this, and therefore, she does not blow her budget or max out credit cards to impress her peers with a high-fashion wardrobe, expensive bags and jewelry, or fancy cars with inflated price tags. So act like a smart single woman and avoid debt traps that can become a burden. Even if you have a good job with an above-average salary, excessive debt could restrict your ability to make long and short-term investments. Overwhelming debt may also restrict your ability to cover normal household expenses, unexpected auto repairs, and emergency medical bills. If your debt load hampers your ability to meet these needs, your debt may eventually destroy the lifestyle you worked hard to build. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.